Today was one of those days that felt slow, simple, and full of quiet joy. We spent the day with the family exploring Niagara-on-the-Lake, a place that always feels like a little escape from reality. The moment we arrived, it felt like walking into a postcard. Charming streets, beautiful old buildings, and that peaceful atmosphere that makes you want to walk without rushing, talk without hurrying, and just enjoy being together. We wandered through town, took photos, laughed, and enjoyed that soft, relaxing kind of happiness that doesn't need anything fancy. Just the right people in the right place. From there, we headed to Queenston Heights Park, where the view of the Niagara River was just breathtaking. Standing there, looking out at the water and the rolling hills, it was one of those moments that makes you pause and really appreciate life and the people standing beside you. It reminded us that life doesn't need to be loud to be meaningful. Our last stop was the floral clock, one of the most unique spots in Niagara. A real working clock, completely made of flowers, beautifully designed and ticking in real time. And standing there in front of it, we couldn't help but think about how fast time moves, and how important it is to collect memories like these before they turn into remember when. Just a day trip, but definitely a day we'll remember.